Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk again about the InvestBox platform of the Yobit.net crypto exchange. And obviously for all the people that don't know already, if you have a Yobit account, you can go ahead and create one. It's really easy, just like any other crypto exchange. And what is good about this crypto exchange is that they have a platform called InvestBox. In this platform, well, basically you can do what the name says. You can invest your crypto that you are not using. It says that it's 100% safe. You don't lose your crypto. You don't lock up your crypto. You can close up anytime you want your investment. I say this for the coins that I want to invest, and as I have already told you in my previous video, I suggest you invest only in the crypto, or let's say coins that are important in the market, like let's say for example BitTorrent. We have Bitcoin that we can invest, we have Ethereum and Doge, and I do not suggest you invest into these other shit coins, because I have done that and I have been burned out about these coins. Obviously you have some coins in here that you must do something particular to be able to get your percentages daily, weekly, or hourly, or monthly. You can see that on the contract which you want to invest, but again, invest only in the main coins and do not invest into the shit coins. At least this is my personal opinion. Then at the end you can do whatever you want. So again, I decided to make this video because I am invested into this crypto exchange, and obviously I know that there are many bad, let's say, comments, bad reviews about this crypto exchange, but at least for me till now, at least from January of this year till now, I haven't had any problems with this platform. So I cannot say for sure if those negative comments or those negative reviews stand up for or are true for this crypto exchange, but at least for me all has worked fine till now. And again, I decided to do this video to show you guys that I don't just talk shit in here, but I am showing you what I am actually doing. So basically I am actually investing my own money, my own crypto into this crypto exchange. Am I risking? Yeah, hell yes, am I risking, because obviously in any crypto exchange you don't own your private keys. You basically don't own your coins, but you are giving them to the crypto exchange. So basically you have to know this. I am risking, but as I told you, I am not I have not gotten into any problem till now. I can show you my withdrawal history of my Bitcoin or any other coins. As you may have already seen my previous video, I had invested around 320 ETHClassic coins into this crypto exchange, and as you can see, I have transferred them back to my wallet, and I have done that because the InvestBox for ETHClassic has been closed, and so I didn't need those coins anymore, so I transferred them to my personal wallet. Currently now I am invested, as you can see, on the Bitcoin investment plan. I have invested 1 Bitcoin and I am getting 0.1% daily for my investment. As you can see, I can close my investments at any time, and then I can withdraw my Bitcoin back to my personal wallet. And I have done this at least, I think, 2 times, but or you know what, let's go to the history and check how many times I have. Let's go to withdrawals and see my withdrawals so you guys can see live, because I cannot remember. Okay, so withdrawals, go. It's a little bit slow. Okay, you can see here, yes, 2 times I have withdrawn my Bitcoin on 13th of January. 1 Bitcoin, as you can see, completed. Sorry. Then I have gotten back them into the crypto exchange, reinvested them. Then the investments get closed because the fund didn't have any more coin to pay, so I closed the investment and withdraw them again. Then you can see the withdrawal of my Ethereum Classic coins, 304 coins which I have done. So basically I haven't had any problem till now with the Yobit.net, and I say this because mostly the bad reviews that there are on the internet that you can find basically tell you guys that you are not able to withdraw your coins once you get them into this crypto exchange. But at least for me till now all had worked fine, so basically that's why I decided. So again, another obviously, as you can see from the thumbnail, the reason why I'm showing you this, because the investments plan for Ethereum and Dogecoin are back into this platform because they weren't active. So I'm going to reinvest my Ethereum, as you can see, 4.1 Ethereum, and my Dogecoin, 51.8 Dogecoin. As long as I can remember, I have transferred around 50,000 Dogecoins into this platform. So basically I have earned 1,800 Dogecoin till now, but anyway, it's not a big value, but hey, these are free coins. So the way you can do it, it's really easy. You just go into the investment box, you go into the investments plan, and you have in here the Ethereum 0.1 daily, minimum of 1.7 Ethereum is needed to be invested, a maximum of 170, and you have to play 10 Ethereum dice games to be able to get your 0.1 percentage every day. The same thing with Doge, 0.1% daily, 1,000 Bitcoin as minimum, this is the maximum, and you have to play 10 dice games with Doge coins to be able to get your reward. So then you go to the Ethereum, you click here, and you enter the amount. Make sure to have a small amount of Ethereum into your wallet, because you have to play the dice game, and if you invest all your Ethereum, then you don't have Ethereum to play your dice game. So I'm investing 4.1 and keeping the rest so I can play the daily games. Then you hit invest, and in just a couple of seconds your investment is going to be active. So let's go to my investment. Okay, here you have it, Ethereum 4.1 active, and after 24 hours I will get my 0.1% reward in Ethereum, after obviously I have played 10 dice games. So let's go and invest the Dogecoins also. So again, you have to keep in mind that the reward may be active for 1 day, may be active for a month, and it may go inactive again, because as you can see, invest your free coins to InvestBox. It's a tool to for devs to promote their coins. It's not a pyramid hype. All payments are made from special fund. If the special fund doesn't have any more coins to pay the daily payouts, then it goes inactive. So you can close them or you can keep them active till it gets back to the funds, the special funds, to be able to pay the reward daily. So again, it may last 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and it may stop for 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and it may go back again active. So let's do the Dogecoins. So remember to keep at least some coins to be able to play your games. I'm going to keep 856 just to play the games and invest 51,000. Let's click on invest, and we are done. Let's go to my investments again, and in here you can see Dogecoin invested 51,000. So now I just have to go to the dice games. Now for the dice games, you have to be very careful, guys, because as you can see, all these people here are playing and are gambling. So this is pure luck, and believe me, that this luck is for the platform only. You are not going to win with this game. Eventually you are going to lose. So be very, very careful, and I suggest you play the minimum amount which you are able to play. So for Bitcoin you can play like 10 Satoshi. So be very, very careful with the sum before you hit roll 48 or 52. So what I do, I go to here, I delete the one and go at the end and add another one, so I am sure that I am playing only 10 satoshis. And make sure you double check, you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros and then 10, so you are sure that you are playing only 10 satoshis. Then you can hit for at least 10 times roll 52 or roll 58, and basically you can play even more if you like, but you have to play daily 10 games to be able to get your reward. So I've done 3, I think 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, let's do 11 just to be sure. Then you go to the Ethereum, because obviously I have invested into Ethereum. I click here again, wait for the page to load up, be very careful. Again, go to the sum, be very careful with the sum, because you might enter a different amount and you may lose your coins. Then go back to here and add 10. So I'm sure that I'm playing the minimum amount for Ethereum also, and go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, let's do 11. Then the same thing on Doge, we have 10 games to play. Make sure that you check daily into the InvestBox how many games you have to play, because it may change during the time. Sorry, for example, for Doge, the last time I had invested my Doge in here, you had to play 10 games at the beginning, but then they changed it to 20 games, and I think they went up to 30 games to play. So be very careful, and you have to know that when you click on dice games with Doge, it takes too much time to load, as you saw there, and the minimum amount you can play with Doge is 1 Doge. So select all the sum, hit 1, so you are sure you are playing only 1 Doge. So let's do 10 games, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, and I am done now. Again, this time tomorrow I will get my reward for Doge, for Ethereum, and obviously for the Bitcoin contract which I have, because I have done my dice games. If you forget to play your dice games, you will not get your reward for that day. You can play the games, and then tomorrow after 24 hours you will get your reward. Again, be very careful with the amount you play on the dice game, because it is pure gamble, and obviously in gamble games always the platform that does the game is going to win, so you are not going to win on that game. So make sure you play only the minimum amount that is allowed there. So Bitcoin, as you can see, again 10 dice games minimum, Ethereum 10 dice games, and Dogecoin 10 dice games. Anyway, check them every day. If for some reason some of them may change, it may go up to 20 games, so you don't miss your daily reward, and hope obviously they will stay for as long as possible. But again, the contract may, or let's say the investment may go inactive, so it may go, it will say in here no coins, but it may be reactivated after 1 day, after 1 week, after a month, like I told you. So you can keep your investments open, you don't have to close them. So basically when they have the special fund to be able to pay the daily rewards, then you are going to play back again the dice games and get your daily reward back again. Okay, then that was it. I wanted to show you practically how you can invest on the Yobit InvestBox. Again, there are many bad reviews about this crypto exchange, but I showed you that at least for me till now all is fine. I haven't had any problem with this crypto exchange. There is only one concern I have with this crypto exchange, because when you write to the support, when you write to them into their Twitter account, or if you contact the support through the main page in here, you don't get an answer. Even if you get an answer, you will get the answer very late, and this is the only concern I have about this platform. For me till now it has worked very well. You can decide what you want to do with your money, because obviously the reward is not too great. Also, you also need to know that the withdrawal fees from this crypto exchange are much higher than the other crypto exchanges, and basically this is why I think that people may write bad reviews about this platform. Anyway, the risk, it's personal. Anyone decides what they want to do with their money. I'm doing this with my money. I really hope I'm not going to risk or lose anything of my investment, because as you saw, I have invested too much money into this platform. But anyway, since I don't trade, since I don't mine cryptocurrencies anymore, because I have sold all of my hardware that I had, then this is the only thing I can do to earn some daily rewards, because even the YouTube channel is not giving me anything. I'm not gaining anything from the YouTube channel. So basically that's the only thing I have to earn a little bit every day. So yeah. Okay then, that was it for today. As always, before we go away, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, also turn on post notification and like and share the videos. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.